talk about facade lighting, linear lighting is one of the main lights to create stunning facade lighting. If you go anywhere in the world, if you look at the building, you'll see linear lights, at least few of the building. There are so many type of linear lights, even with aluminum, or if you create the linear effects with neon flags, but the effect it's same. What we see is a linear effect. In anywhere, even Burj Khalifa, I was just talking yesterday, even the Burj Khalifa lighting is done by linear lights. So you can imagine the importance of linear lights. So when we create for any concept for any client to show them how it will look like their building at night. Of course, before doing any facade lighting, client wants to see how their building will look like, a concept. Or even if we want to do something for our own to see which type of light will look nice in this building before we make a proposal. So we need to create some sort of effect how it will look like to show the client or for any kind of presentations. So it's very important to understand to get those effect, even if it is rainbow or single color, whatever is it, is just linear lights effect we need to show it to the client. So how to get a real light effect for to show in the building. Okay, so linear lights, we are talking about this kind of linear lights. It can be with aluminum and the glowing effect, or it can be a neon flags, whatever you like to use. It doesn't matter, 99% time the effect are same. So no matter what kind of linear light or neon flags you're going to use, since it's a direct lights, it's not indirect lights. So as I said, 99% time it's the same effect what you use. So let's see how to create those sharp effect in Photoshop that it looks real and it looks nice in the building. Okay, so let's start. So here I am in the Photoshop and I choose a building which is a glass building, and I want to have some sort of random linear lights to give the building as per their design, as they have some random panel and random glasses. So I'd like to give a same vibe in this building. I just pick a daytime photos, I make it darker a little bit. So let's start. Okay, so first what we'll do, we'll take a new layer. Okay, then we'll just zoom it a little bit so it will be easy for us where we want the light. Then we take the lines, you can get it from here, it's called line tool. We'll click the line, then weight will take 1px. Okay, that means 1 pixel, that's it, not more than that. And it depends, actually I'm taking 1px, it depends on your image resolution as well. You can have a look how is it image resolution. This is just 72 resolution images. If you have more resolution images, you might need to take more than 1px. Just you can see how much weight is it, based on that you can get it by your own. So let's start giving the lines. I'm creating some sort of white line first. So just random some lines to create, to show the effect how it will look like. Okay, we're just taking random white lines because any type of light, when you take a photos, you want to see the effect. The main core, it will look like bit white, even though it's not really white lights, but it will show real little bit of white no matter what kind of light you see. So that's why we are just taking a little bit of white lines to start our effect. Okay, let's zoom out. I will take one more line here so it looks a little bit better. Okay, the position you can choose your own. I'm just showing you some random lines. Later on you can, when you're working on the projects based on your concept, you can work on it. So this is our basic lines, linear lights. We are going to create a blue effect. I select the blue color here already. Okay, so you can select any color you're looking for. What the color, if it is purple, warm white, green, depend on the client or your design aspect. So then I'm going to click Control button in my keyboard and go to top of the layer, click Control and click on the layer. It will select whatever I have done. Okay, exactly. Then I'll take one more layer just under that. You can make it white core. Okay, then I take another layer, you can make it blue. Okay, so you will understand what you're doing. In the blue, by selecting blue, I'll go to select, then I'll go to modify, expand. I'll just expand it for 1 pixel. Okay, I expand it for 1 pixel. Then in the blue, I already select the colors. Okay, I'll just fill the colors by clicking alter backspace because it's foreground color, so alter backspace. Okay, then just deselect. Now you see, but it's not look like lights. Okay, it's look like someone just drawing some line, but we need to create the glow so to look like a real light. So how we'll do that? By selecting the blue, we'll go to filter, then blur, then we see Gaussian blur. We'll just make it 2. Okay, click OK. But still glow is not that much. We'll just click and we'll make it duplicate the layers. We'll click again, blue, blur, Gaussian blur again, we'll make it 3. Okay, again copy, you can click the blue, filter, blur, Gaussian blur, we'll make it this time 5. And if you want more glow, again click, okay, duplicate, click the blue, go to filter, blur, Gaussian blur, this time put 7. Now zoom out, have a look, it's done. It's just pretty simple. In a few tools, you're going to have this kind of linear effects. Now you can ask, maybe all the lines are not maybe same straight. You might have some sort of curved line. So how are you going to do that? I'm going to show you that one as well. So let's just hide all these layers. We'll take a new layers. Let's take the pen tool. Okay, we'll just take some curve. Okay, think that this is our linear lights anyhow. But before that, click the brush and look at your brush size. How big is it? Okay, and take the foreground color as white. Then see, okay, this brush size is okay. If your size is not okay, you can check the size. 1px is okay. Hardness will be full because we don't want soft brush. Okay, now we already draw the line. So again, we'll go to the pen tool, click right button and click stroke path. Then here you'll find so many options. Just click brush and click OK. Then just go to path and deselect. Now you see we already have the path line. So you can do same as I show you before. Just take another layers, go to select, modify, expand 1 pixel, then take the blue colors. Then go to the filter, blur, Gaussian blur, 2. Same thing, you'll repeat it again, it will be same lights. Okay, so it doesn't matter if it is curved or if it is a straight line. Now that this is about the single color, so what if we want to do like RGB pixel linear light? So how to show the gradient of the color? Now we are going to show that one. So again, I'm going to take one more layers. Okay, now I'll this name rainbow core. So foreground will be white, 1 pixel. I'm taking a straight line. So this is I'm going to create a rainbow colors. Now I'll take one more layer. I'll click this one as rainbow. Okay. So same here, click Control, select the area, go back to rainbow, select, modify, expand to 1 pixel. Okay. Now click the rainbow gradient tool. I mean not rainbow, gradient tool. You can select the color, you can modify any color if you want to change it or whatever is it. So this is okay for me. Now I'm going to select from here to here. That's it. Now deselect. You see already rainbow color is here. Same concept. You go to the filter, blur, Gaussian blur, 2. You duplicate it. Okay. Again go back to the rainbow, blur, Gaussian blur, and go to 3. Okay. Then again click rainbow and go to the filter, blur, Gaussian blur. If you want don't want so much of brightness, just make directly, no need to make 5, go directly 7. That's it. So here we have all the effect we created. Okay, the blue single colors and the gradient if you have any pixel linear lights. So this is how you can create your own linear lights. Okay, one more thing for the last I want to show you, so you'll not have any sort of questions later on. You might have a set of linear lights where you want together the rainbow. So how it will be done, that also I'm showing you very quickly. So I'll have a lot of random lines thing that, and I'm going to show there is not just one line, all the lights together will show gradient color. The dynamic lights, we need to show it in a way that it has that all the color effect. Take a little bit of more light so it will really show all the colors. Okay, so here we go. Think that this is a lot of lights, not just one line. So how we'll create gradient effect on those lights together? Same concept. Take one more layers, click, okay, then go here, select, modify, expand. I'm showing it again, so if you still don't remember, practice. Now by selecting all the lights together, go to gradient, and from starting to end, the area you want to do gradient, okay, click. That's it, done. So you just go to filter, blur, and Gaussian blur, make it 2, okay, then duplicate. I'm showing you directly 7, so I'm just making it shorter so you don't need to feel like irritation that again and again showing same thing. So this is how you can create all the lights together gradient, or one single light gradient, a single color, just by one tools, that is the Gaussian blur tool. So by this one you can create a real like linear lights. Okay, so that's it for today, and I'll show you later on how to create linear lights in After Effects. That is more easier actually than all this hassle. Just by single click you can create linear lights, but for next video I'm going to show you that one. For today, this much. Thank you very much, and if you like the video, please subscribe the channel. Thank you very much.